Hey guys, the RadDad here. Doing a little transplanting some hot peppers, little jalapenos. I'm gonna get 2 here in this 15-gallon pot, and away we go. What we got here, beautiful, overgrown, little root bound. We're gonna clean this up with some scissors, get it put into the pot at a 30-degree angle. This one is going in great. Seems like they're healthy, they're just a little big. So get it at that angle. Now we're going to work on the other one. I don't use clones off of these because the type of plant it is, I just prefer to go from seed. So if I like the pepper a lot, I take a few of those, I get the seeds out of them, and I use that as my seed stock next year. This one also, beautiful roots, little root bound, but these things are really ready to start putting out some peppers. So yeah, got a nice plant here, looking really good. We're gonna clean this one up a little bit, get it at that angle. After I shot this, I went back and straightened it up a little bit. I angled it a little too much. The nice part about this soil is I didn't take anything out. I didn't pull anything into another container. I just pull it apart. It's sort of a living soil. And so when you put something in like this, all you basically do is just folding the ground back over it. So basically, you're just folding in here. The soil is really pliable, holds moisture well, but is very rarely too wet. What I'm going to do is add another bucket of this mix. This mix doesn't have nearly as much aggregate, which is just red lava rock. That is so I have a good topsoil layer as I water this and prepare it to be mulched down. This is it. That's transplanting the RadDad way. If you want to see a soil build, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, the RadDad is out.